Okay, y'all. We had our carpets professionally cleaned yesterday. They looked really good. But our little robot vacuum runs every day. And so this morning, I emptied the dustbin on the little robotic vacuum because I was just curious how much it was going to pick up after a nice deep cleaning. Because we got that little thing that likes to drop hair everywhere. So on Fridays, it runs in here, that little hallway, and then also in our kitchen and dining room. So it may have been the kitchen and dining room that contributed most of it, but here you can see where it went today. So all these little white lines. So this, like the lighter blue color is the kitchen, dining room, and pantry. And then this kind of teal color is the living room and hallway. So that's what it cleaned today. When looking inside of this dustpan, you can see all the dirt. And I didn't clean it fully, but look at all of that that's in there. It is unreal how much dirt and dust is in your house. And like I said, this is probably the majority of it came off the kitchen floor, hopefully. But I'm gonna empty this and then just run it in the living room again, carpet only, just to see how much comes out. So just went and shook this out in the trash can and we'll get it going again.
Dustbin installed.
Okay, so I'll click room, click the living room, and clean.
Starting room cleaning. Charging.
All right, just finished up. Let's see what we got.
Dustbin removed.
Okay, moment of truth. Man, that is wild. That doesn't look like a lot, but it's literally been like an hour since this last ran. And nothing has moved other than the dog and me walking through a couple times. It's a lot of stuff. So if you don't have pets, it will definitely not be this bad, I would imagine. But this little robotic vacuum, I've had it for probably going on close to 4 years now. I did have to replace the battery in it once. Just ordered a replacement from Amazon. It was like $50. But these robotic vacuums are a huge time saver, help keep the house clean. One thing you want to keep in mind is to get one that does mapping, and also one that uses LiDAR, which is this little round thing on top. Inside of here, it's like a little window. It's a spinning infrared laser, so you can't actually see it, but it is a laser like distance sensor, and so that's how it's able to map out all of the walls and things that it needs to go around. So if you get a robot vacuum that does not do mapping or does not have the LiDAR, they will still get your floor somewhat clean, but it takes much longer. They don't do near as good of a job at cleaning because they don't get every square inch of the floor. You can see from this map, you can see the exact path that it took. The ones that don't map and don't do laser distance, they just kind of go on a random cleaning schedule. They'll sometimes clean the same spot multiple times. And so to get the same amount of clean out of one of those, takes much longer. Now those units are considerably cheaper. You can usually get those for anywhere probably $150 to $300, where these units that do mapping will range anywhere from, I've seen them on sale for around $350 all the way up to like $1,200, depending on the number of features. They now have docks that will empty the little onboard dust container, and they say it'll do like 2 weeks worth of dust collection. So you only have to empty it every 2 weeks. I could empty mine at least once a week, if not multiple times a week. So if you've got the money and can afford it, I would definitely recommend getting something that does mapping. But I think that's going to be it for this one. If you have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below. If you like what I do, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and until next time, we'll see you later.